didn't expect this thing because I thought those were all the gifts she had to give me. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deepika and I make videos anything and everything related to makeup and beauty. Firstly, happy new year you guys. It's my first video of 2021. I know I'm late, but then I ended 2020 with a very special video, so I wanted to start off 2021 with a special one as well. So I tried vlogging. This is my birthday vlog video. I wanted to do something different for my first video of 2021, something different than what I usually do. So this is it. This is a vlog. I'm not into vlogging or anything. This is just like the one-time thing, and also this is the first time I vlog, so it might not be the most perfect vlog you'll ever see because of course I'm a beginner. I tried editing in a different way, you will see it. But today is actually 23rd of January. The next day, my birthday was yesterday on 22nd. I sat down to edit today and I realized I do not have a proper intro for this video, so I thought I'd make one now. I tried vlogging as much as I can and I tried capturing as many moments as I can. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog and let's get started. Hey guys, it is 21st night and it's like 10:10 at the moment. Yes, the time is 10:10 and I'm about to go to sleep now. But before I go to sleep, I just want to oil my hair so that I can wash it tomorrow and style it. So I'm gonna do that and go to bed. I do not have any plans for you know, midnight, 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to bed because I have to wake up early tomorrow. Also, I'm not really pro at vlogging, so please excuse me if this is not perfect. I don't know. I mean, if you're watching this, I might have liked the outcome. I don't know. It's 22nd and it is right now 6:10. Yes, it's 6:10 a.m. I have to get ready. I have to go to temple now. But look at this. My mom has some gifts for me. Let me show you. Check it out, you guys. She put these two bags next to my bed. She knows I love waking up to gifts on my birthday morning. Oh, I think these are some night suits. Okay, that's crazy. Oh my god. So this is what my mom got me. I think these are all from Zivame. I think she went to the store. But yeah, this is a night suit. I didn't have a night suit for my birthday or for tonight. I didn't have a new one. So she went ahead and bought two of them. So this is the other one. It has this bobby pin kind of design and I'm guessing it's the same, so I'm not gonna remove it right now. But there is something more exciting. Oh, what is this? These are some shorts. Okay, and this is a match. Oh, this is again a night suit. Okay, she got me 3 of them and I just needed one. Okay. I'm so happy. I just want to go hug her right now, but she's sleeping and I do not want to disturb her. Look at this floral print shirt, like a night suit. I can wear it on jeans also. Lol. But this one was so unexpected, you guys. She got me, also ignore my nails, I'm gonna do them in a while. So I really didn't think she would get me these. I don't know, how did she know that I really wanted some pants for my you know, workout. I mean, I don't work out, I just go for a walk, but I needed some and I don't know, I haven't told her. I was looking online for some pants and I thought, you know, I'll take them later on, but she got me and this is so good. It has this mesh here. Oh my god, didn't expect this at all. And look at this. This is another pair of the sports leggings. This has this detail here near the ankle and the color is so damn good. Like, this was so unexpected. Love it. So last night me and my mom had a small celebration or small cake cutting. Like I just cut a cupcake and then she gave me gifts last night as well, or on the 12 o'clock on 22nd night. But I didn't expect this thing because I thought those were all the gifts she had to give me. But oh my god, she knows what I love. She knows I love waking up to gifts, and every birthday I wake up to gifts because I don't really you know, celebrate at 12 o'clock. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so happy she didn't wake up. My parents are still sleeping. I just have to get ready very quickly because I have to go to temple and I have some errands to run. So yeah. I got back from the temple. I wore this simple kurti that my friend gifted me. Now I have to blow dry my hair, style it a bit and get ready for lunch. I even have to do my nails, so it's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna do that and take you through this. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair, just straightened it, super simple. Now I'm gonna do my nails. I just removed the nail polish. I have this set of press-on nails that I bought from an Instagram store. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box, or I'm gonna update you on this later on. currently 9:15 p.m. My friends and family have come home and they just left, so I picked up the camera. I couldn't vlog when they were there, but I did click loads of pictures. My friends clicked really good pictures for me. I will insert them in this video. So I came home from lunch at around 5 o'clock. Then my friends came over. We did some really simple decor in my house, and then I clicked some pictures. Then we had some food. Then my grandparents came home. Then we had dinner, and everyone just left. I cannot wait to change. I changed into this outfit. Both my morning outfit and this evening one, both of them are gowns, and they are from Ant itself. So I changed into this. Now I cannot wait to change into my new pajamas that my mom gifted me. I actually insisted my mom to join me for this video, but she isn't that comfortable on camera, so I'm not gonna force her and let that be. So I'm gonna go change now, and until then you can watch my pictures that I clicked this evening. What's up you guys? I just changed into these PJs that I showed you in the morning that my mom gifted me. This is one of those night dresses that my mom gifted me, one of the 3 of them. She got this from Zivame, and there was a new store opening. This is what it looks like. Absolutely love it, like absolutely love it. It looks so cute. There is lipstick, there is a brush, there is a perfume, there is an eyelash. Oh my god, so cute. I live for cute PJs like this one. Now what I'm gonna do is, I have some makeup on that I put on early today. So I'm gonna remove that. I didn't get time to, wash my face even once. I was totally busy. So I'm gonna do that, wash my face and just crash because I'm extremely sleepy and tired. I have so many messages to reply to, but then I'm gonna do it tomorrow peacefully. It's a wrap to my 21st birthday. It's currently 11 o'clock right now, and it's time for me to go to bed and finally sleep. I've been waiting to sleep for so long, I swear. You guys, I'm so tired. I had good fun with my friends, my family, everything. I had loads of pictures clicked. This is gonna be my first vlog. I am not a pro at vlogging whatsoever. I tried my best to capture every moment possible, and I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this, but if you are watching it, that means I finally gathered the guts to put it online. Thank you so much for all your support. It is what keeps me going and motivated. For me, the number doesn't matter, so I am really grateful for all of you who watch my videos. So yeah, you guys, with all that being said, I think I'm all set to sleep. So this video is gonna end here. I've tried my best to vlog. I've shown you guys my most candid self without any makeup, just like that, in my room, in my house, with my family. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.